Hey guys, how's it going? So this unit was sent to me from Lwigs.com. This is a curly style unit. It's a natural color. The length on this one is 18 inches. The wig density is 180. So this is a pre-plucked unit and it does come with baby hairs around the perimeter. So obviously you guys can see the hairline is popping AF. So what I am going to do is I'm just cutting the baby hairs right now just to prepare it before I process. So we're going to go for like a fall ombre color. So I am using the Prism Lights, the purple pack with 40 volume developer. And I'm just going to do a nice little light ombre on the bottom of this one to give me like a nice kind of fall red color. Now usually with curly hair I don't do ombre, I usually just go for highlights. But this time around I wanted to try something different to see what it looks like. In the winter time you can go ahead and do colors with your curly wigs and stuff like that. I really don't show that on my channel, so I decided to show that today in today's video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll leave all the products down below in regards to what I used to get this look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep on watching. Alright guys, guys, so this is the finished look of this super pretty unit right here. So today's video was a start to finish video with a complete customization. This unit was sent to me from Lwigs.com, and I'll leave all the specs down below for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. Now, one thing about this unit that's amazing, it did come pre-plucked, which I showed you guys in the beginning. This also gives you about like 6 inches of parting space, which is amazing. If you watch the beginning of this video and throughout this video, you've seen all the specs on it. It's an amazing unit beforehand. Now with this unit, I did customize it by bleaching the ends, giving myself like a little fun ombre, and I did go in with vivid red, which is, I'm not sure what the box dye name was. I'll insert it in the video somewhere here so you guys know. I used one box and it definitely gave me this nice kind of coppery red color, which is perfect for October and November seasons, fall season in general. So usually when I do customizations on curly units, I'm always so boring that I always do like highlights or whatever. So I was like, this time, let's go ahead and just add like a little bit of a pop color to it. I have been asked a question in the past about coloring my hair after washing it. So this time, or what I like to do is basically, if I'm going to bleach hair and then dye it like a dark color, like a purple or blue or red, I will dye it right away, like an hour after, just because it's going to be a dark color and most likely it's going to pick up like that. If I was going to do like a blonde color or something like that, I like to let the hair air dry overnight and then dye it the next day. So when it comes to darker colors, I just dye it right away after bleaching it, just because it's the dark color and it's going to pick up no matter what. From my experience, I've never had an issue with that, so it's always worked for me, so that's what I do. So for this one, I did customize it. I showed you guys after. What I did do with this unit, I did go ahead and extra pluck it. When I got it, it did come pre-plucked, which was amazing. Like I showed you guys the hairline and it was popping AF. But I'm an extra, so I did go in and just take a little bit more hair out so I can open the surroundings so you guys can get more of a view. And when the wind hits me the wrong way, you're gonna get like a nice pullback like that, and you can't tell me nothing. So as far as this unit, I did adhere this down with the Ghost Bond along with the Got To Be Glue Blasting Freeze Spray just to give me a really nice solidified look. I'm going to tell you guys right now, Ghost Bond is not my #1 adhesive. I'm a Bold Hold girl, but they try to get me for $30 at the beauty supply store for the Bold Hold, and I was like, I could just order online for like $20 for free shipping or $25. I'm not paying $30 at the beauty supply store, sorry. So I'm waiting for my Bold Hold to come in, but recently I've been using the Ghost Bond, and I've been, you know, following a little bit methods. You guys give me some suggestions about using a little bit at a time, and that's what I've been doing. It's been working for me really good. So I'm using the Ghost Bond and I'm using the Blasting Freeze Spray to glue down my units now, and it's just been a freaking amazing meltdown. So this is what I used today, and it just looks really, really nice. And very slayful, if you know what I mean. Now, as far as the products that I use in the hair, I always use the Cantu leave-in conditioner. You guys know I love this product, so I use this today. I use it overnight, and this morning you guys saw when I showed you guys the wig that it was nice dried and the curls are very defined. Even after processing this hair by bleaching it and adding the hair dye on, the hair is still very nice. This unit was sent to me in 18 inches, but I did go in and just trim it a little bit because I wanted it to be more of like a, kind of like a same length, you know, like a blunt kind of shoulder look. Very nice and big curly hair. What I like to do, and you guys saw, I like to go ahead with the Blasting Freeze Spray and spray it this way, just so therefore I get like a little bit of a lift. I like big hair, but I like it to be like a little bit flat right here and have some elevation right at this part right here, just to give me more of a look. Now my earrings, I know you guys are gonna ask, these earrings I got from Target in stores. Target has like a whole new section now of like inexpensive stuff. Target for me used to be really expensive, but they're starting to give you like some more inexpensive items, especially the clothes as well too. I found some cute pieces. These earrings I think were like $6, and it goes with the whole 90s trend, that thick chunky hoop earring. So I really like these, so I'll try to link these down below if I can find them. These are super cute, so I thought it went really good with the outfit. I had to change the outfit so you guys can see the color. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, but I think that this is super cute, guys, and I'm probably gonna rock this like heavy for the next few months. Now, I know you guys are probably wondering, like, okay, you're gonna tell us about the wig sale. So, like, if you've watched my last wig sale videos, I basically give you guys the same rundown on how everything's gonna go. So this wig sale is September 27th, 2019 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. I will link my website down below. It's a first come, first serve. It's only one wig. It's one custom wig. I don't have like 3,000 wigs to sell, and all the wigs that I'm showing you guys on my videos will be the wigs that I'm selling. If it's a wig that I have not shown, it's basically like a wig that I have not done. It's going to be just brand new. I'll mark it as brand new, and you guys can go ahead and purchase it for a fraction of the price. Don't worry, I'm not going crazy. If you go on my website now, you can see the previews and see what the prices are for the wigs that I've sold in the past. So it's nothing like crazy. I know people that sell wigs for like $400 or $500, and that's kind of ridiculous, especially if it's a wig sale. So that's what I'm doing for you guys. So this is all sales final, no refunds or exchanges, you guys know. Please allow, guys, 2 to 5 business days to receive the wig. And as always, you guys will get the tracking information 24 to 48 hours after purchase. So this is a U.S. mail and U.S. P.O. box only. And the reason why I do that is because it makes no sense for me to send something for $35 custom when you can just buy it from the company for cheaper versus paying custom price for the shipping, if you think about it. So it just makes more sense if you live overseas, UK, Canada, just to buy it from the company directly, just because it doesn't make sense for you to pay me in custom. You know what I mean? It just gets too expensive. And it's only PayPal, because I've had incidents in the past where people will try to scam me, but that doesn't happen anymore because I'm just too smart for that. It's an ID and signature required at delivery, so you make sure that you're there when the package is delivered. You need to show your ID and sign for the package, and trust me, I will check. So the last few wig sales I have been very successful. No crazy kind of, scamming type of things that went on, so I was really happy about that. So I'm going to clean out the closet now because I am moving. So I will take you guys on my apartment touring soon, because I'm moving next month. So I gotta get rolling on it and then try to get all this stuff out. So I will be cleaning out my wig closet. I think I'm only gonna keep like 2 wigs to myself, just because you guys know I do wig reviews like every single week. So I get like a new shipment in every single week. So I'm going to clear out the closet. I'm only keeping 2 wigs, which are my favorite wigs now. But everything that you guys seen recently will be out for sale, so you guys have an opportunity. It's only one wig, guys, so I don't have like different ones. So first come, first serve. So make sure you're there at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave all the information down below in regards to this beautiful unit and what I used to get this look. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.